So finally, the 2024 results, that's the BECE results, has been released. And as you can see here, this is how it looked like here if you want to check your results. So here, what you have to do is to enter your index number here, and also you have to enter your index number again. That is, you confirm your index number, and here you indicate the type of exams. So we are checking for BECE, that is both for school and then private. So if you wrote school, you choose this one, and if you wrote private, you choose that. And then the year that we are checking for 2024, so you choose this 2024, and then you come to this point. So we have here to be the serial number, okay, and then we have here to be the pin. And if you're looking for a serial number and the pin, I'll leave a number this video, so you can just call the number or WhatsApp the number. That is my personal number, and I'll be able to get you affordable voucher for you to check. And you can also contact if you want me to also check it for you. After entering all your details here, what I have to do is to just tap on I am not a robot. So you tap on this one, and you just have to wait for a few seconds, and it is going to take for you. All right, so as you can see here, so after that, what you have to do is just tap on submit, and within short time you are going to see your results. So let's wait for our results. And as you can see, this is the result. So what I have to do is to just print the results out. So we are going to print this result. So what I have to do is to just tap here, you see print. So we tap on print here, and it is going to take you to this page here. All right, so we have the print size. Okay, so you will see here to be PDF. Tap on PDF. All right, just like this. And what you have to do is to just give the name of the PDF. Let's say you are going to give the name of the PDF like Ike. Okay, so when you are done, you hit on create, you open it, and then you tap on save. Okay, and this is it. This is the PDF of your result. So you just have to go to any cafe of your choice and print it. See you in the next video. Bye.